been moved. I do not. Oh. Oof. Oof, 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 oof. Yay. Aww. So good. So good. Oh, it's so good. No. We need an apple. 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 I didn't realize my character had an apple right behind it. Oof. Oh. Now I'm being patted. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Nice. Oof. That's gotta be an oof. What's with all the Connor ponies? I don't know. You tell me. Aw, RK900 is crying now. No! Man, he's got the guts to be done by him. By them. RK900's back. No! 28 steps. 28 stab wounds! Oh, Lord. When no one gives a fudge. Okay. Repairs the child. Whoops. Oops. Oops. Repairs. Oof. Oh. Vic. Aww. Aww. Someone loves you. Aww. Aw, someone loves you. I like how I said that. Someone loves you. Can I keep him? He belongs to Hank. Sumo Hank, oh dog. Oof. Yeah, true. True, true, true. I'm ready to attack this person. They just said attack on depressed. Because they said Detroit become depressed. I'm like, oh god, their name is the FBI. Open up! No! I will not open up. I am an android sent by CyberLife. This oh. Oof. My name is CyberLife. The Cyber Irish in my corner. Aw. My name is Connor. When you want to do a heck of a of Connor. Lieutenant Anderson, my name is Connor. I am an android sent by CyberLife. Doki, become deleted. Oof. Oof. Hello, my name is Connor. I'm an android sent by CyberLife. I'm looking for Lieutenant Hank Anderson. Have you seen him? Well. If we were to meet in school one day and we were like, I was dressed up as Connor and you were dressed up as Daniel and I said, hello Daniel. I'd be like, hello Daniel. My name's Connor. I think we met before. Just be like, oof. Uh-oh. Where's the Hinko? Where's the Hinko? Oof. Where did he go? Oh. No. Oh heck. Deletes them all. Where did I come up back? Yep, she just... I don't know. Hold on, I think I'm a... I do not know. Wait. I'm gonna come on as my RK900 real quick. I am now RK900. Fear me. I am RK900. Fear me. Fork. I came back as RK900 because I was like, oh, why the heck not? Oh. Yeah, this is like actually like the same one that I actually had to edit to be like RK900. Before I had to duplicate and actually fix it to where it was the original Connor. Yep, it's slowly dying. Yep. Rip. Oh. She's like, I'm just RK900 right now, so flip off. Oh. The FBI agent says let's hack the game so you can come back. Oh. Oof. Lol. Lol. And I see that she has returned. Oh heck. Oof. No, we can't come back now. No! Oof. No! I know she deletes me. Heck. Oh. Buy Arcade 900. I don't know. Buy Arcade 900. Got deleted. Oof. When Arcade 900 gets deleted, who should I become next? Oh. Well, I guess we can't have the wedding. We can't make Connor and Daniel have the wedding now because of Maddie for deleting them. What? Oh, what is the idea? Oh. Baldi. Baldi from Baldi's Basics. I am now demon. Oof. I like how my Connor. But I'm just gonna be like, oof. Oh. Where is she? I'm just gonna be like, oh, descend you now. Oh, ooh, oof, the FBI, oh god. You can't delete what has no soul. Oof, if it has a file, oof. Just watch her. I do not know.